welcome back to my YouTube channel. So this week in the house I tackled some jobs in the bathroom because my bathroom is starting to look a little bit tired since when I first moved in. I am giving my downstairs bathroom a budget, very budget mini makeover and freshen up. So in today's video I tackled my bath panel all by myself, which I'm very proud of. I changed up my toilet seat and I changed the seal on my shower door. So I'm trying to do all of the yucky small jobs, but these small jobs make the biggest impact. So I'm obviously going to paint the bathroom and decorate it, but I wanted to do these kind of ugly small jobs, the likes of moldy seals, toilet seats that are not fresh. And I want to show you today that these little things can make such a big difference when you want to transform your bathroom but you don't have a big budget. So you can still give it a freshen up without spending lots of money. So that is what I'm going to be sharing in today's video. I also went to HomeSense and I got a few little trinkets here. I picked up a few little trinkets because I am going to do another video. So today is all about those little things. So if you want to see how I changed my bath panel and stuff. But I'm going to do a video where I kind of decorate it. I have a few ideas in my head when I get back from holidays, because if you are watching this video, I am actually in France. So I'm filming this before I go to France. So when I get back from France is when I'm going to tackle the more decorative, fun things. I want to tackle putting some shelves up, painting the actual bathroom itself. I also want to change some taps and a few other little jobs around the bathroom. So first thing I did was change my bath panel. This gave the biggest impact. So have a watch and see how I changed my bath panel. From changing the bath panel, it made the biggest difference. The bath panel that was on it originally was plastic. I think it must have came originally with the bath, and everything in that bathroom is there from when I moved in. But basically I was looking online at some tutorials. I used the old bath panel as my template because you'll see I had some awkward kind of curves. Another tip as well, I used a good old huge saw because that's what I had in my shed. However, had I kind of thought about it, I would have gotten maybe a little hacksaw or something smaller, or also an electric saw, so a jigsaw. But listen, I did it with the saw. I sweated a lot, but it was grand. My new bath panel is an MDF with a veneer on the front, and I got it from B&Q. I think it was $74.99, and they did have cheaper ones, but I like the kind of tongue and groove look at this, and it matches. I have a cabinet in that bathroom and it matches the toilet seat, so that was kind of the look I was going for. So next on my list was changing the toilet seat. So have a look and see how I got on with that. can see from changing the toilet seat, my old toilet seat, it was plastic as well, and it had like discoloured under the lid. I don't know what caused that, probably just age, but I think it was kind of part of the same like bathroom set as the bath panel. But the toilet seat, no matter how much I like cleaned it, bleached it, it was still discoloured, and the plastic seal on it was starting to lift. It was disgusting. And that's the bathroom that if I have guests over, they would use that bathroom. So new toilet seat, that one is like a wood veneer as well, and I got that in Argos. I think it was $24.99, might have been $22, but it was around that kind of price range. Now a tip, if you are changing a toilet seat, so obviously you clean your like toilet seat, and I love a clean toilet. However, clean underneath, because I was unscrewing it and I was like, this is disgusting. So just a little tip, toilet seats can be disgusting to change, and I'm definitely going to be cleaning under more often. So once I tackled the toilet seat, it was on to my ugly and mouldy, can I just say I have a thing with toilets, bathrooms and mould. I love a clean toilet, that's all I'll say. If I'm in a hotel and there's like mouldy seals, that stresses me out. That's what I've done in the bathroom. Next on my list is taps. I have some not so pretty taps, and I think I'm going to get some to do it. However, I have watched YouTube videos on how to change your taps. I don't know. I'll keep you posted. I don't know if I'll change the taps. I might just pay someone to come in and change the taps for me, but I might be able to tackle it myself. I might just have a plumber on standby in case I forget to shut off the water. Then on my list is you will see the seal is gone on my bathtub, and I want to reseal it. Now I did actually get a quote from a guy to reseal the bathtub and the whole like area, and it was so expensive, so I'm gonna have a shot myself. I did order these like seal replacement thingies. I'm gonna see if they're any good. I'll let you know in the next kind of bathroom update video. I think over time it's just inevitable to get some sort of mold build up. As much as you clean, I think after a couple of years it is just naturally going to kind of get a bit more stubborn. Please share your mold bathroom removing tips. I've watched a lot of videos and it seems to be quite popular, just good old-fashioned bleach, putting it on cotton and putting it around to kind of kill off the bacteria and get rid of the mold, and baking soda as well. So if you have any mold removing tips, please comment below so we can all have a read at them. So when I get them out of the way, it's onto decorating. Now I would love to do a proper bathroom makeover and replace my tiles, my floor tiles, the lot, but it's just not in the budget, and it won't be anytime soon because I'm having fun spending any spare money on travel and not toilets. However, on my Pinterest, I have like a Pinterest board for like toilets and bathrooms with pink tiles. You know, I'd love that, but by keeping the rest of the decor neutral, down the line if I wanted to pay someone to come in, replace my tiles pink, I can do that. I kind of have most of the decor how I like it. So when I come back from France, I will be painting the walls, the trim, and hopefully putting up some shelves with some trinkets, which leads me on to my next thing, which is trinkets. So I actually went into Home Sense just to look for kind of shower stuff, but when I was in there I was just pottering around and picked up just a few small trinkets. So first thing, this is my absolute fave because I want to do some shelving in there where I can display stuff. So I got this really cool like apothecary little jar, and it's nice and heavy as well, but I just thought that'd be really nice for, you know, like cotton buds, and it kind of has that old kind of French feel to it. Next thing I picked up is, I love the idea of this for body lotion. I have got a like toothbrush holder and soap dispenser that I like, but I like the idea of this, having it on a shelf with a cute little wicker basket and just having like body lotion in it. I thought it'd be really cute. Next thing I picked up was this really cute tin. I just love these little vintage tins. It was only $2.99. Now, I probably will put plasters in it, but if not, it will sit proud on a shelf with all the other cute little trinkets. I just thought that'd be really nice in a bathroom to sit on the shelf. And then totally random, but I did not know that TK Maxx can sometimes have Royal Albert, and I got this for €8. I couldn't pass it. Don't know if I'm going to use it in the bathroom, although it is really cute. It would look really nice on a shelf, but I just thought I'd share that with you. So if you are in TK Maxx or Home Sense, keep an eye out. I did not know. I also saw a lot of the Ray Dunn stuff. That's not really as big here because we can't get it. I know it's huge in America, but I did see some of her mugs and stuff in Home Sense, which I need to start collecting them, I think. But yeah, €8. That is an absolute steal for a Royal Albert jug. So that's my lot for today. I'll be back with a travel vlog of France before tackling the bathroom. So if you head to my Instagram, hopefully by the time you are watching this, I will have a feed full of lavender and sunflowers, because that's what I plan on doing when I'm in Provence, is looking and exploring all of the lavender sunflower fields. Every flower field imaginable is what I'm going to try and see. Do head on over to my Instagram, and then I'll be back soon with part 2 of my bathroom, where it'll be more decorative styling. But do let me know if you fancy tackling your bath screen, if I kind of have inspired you to do it yourself. Sure, have a go at it anyway. And don't forget to share your mouldy bathroom cleaning tips in the comments below so I can have a read of them and get a bit of inspo. The more kind of natural products, the better. So I don't like using really harsh chemicals. So if you have kind of natural kind of homemade mold remover recipes, that would be great. So thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you all in next week's video. Bye, everyone.